This simple guide will show you how to lock your Chime virtual card. If you're looking to secure your funds and prevent unauthorized transactions, locking your Chime virtual card is a straightforward way to add an extra layer of protection. Whether you've misplaced your card details or just want some peace of mind, I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, make sure you have the Chime app downloaded on your smartphone and that you're logged into your account. If you haven't done this already, head to your app store, download the Chime app, and sign in using your credentials. Having easy access to the app is essential for managing your card settings effectively. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of the Chime app. Your next move is to navigate to the settings. Look towards the top left corner of your screen, and you'll notice a settings option. Tap on it to proceed. The settings menu is your go-to place for personalizing your Chime account, and it's where you'll find the option to manage your cards. In the settings menu, you'll see a list of options. Here, you'll want to select Cards. This section allows you to manage both your physical and virtual cards with ease. By selecting Cards, you're one step closer to securing your virtual card. Now, among the cards listed, locate your virtual card. Tap on your virtual card to bring up its specific settings. This is where you have control over the security features of your card. The virtual card is designed for online transactions, but you can lock it at any time to prevent unauthorized use. Once you have your virtual card settings open, the next step is simple yet crucial. Look for the option that says Freeze Virtual Card and turn it on. By activating this feature, you're essentially locking your card. This means any transactions attempted with your virtual card will be declined, providing you with immediate protection against misuse. And there you have it. Your virtual card is now locked. With this simple action, you've taken a proactive step to safeguard your finances. If you ever need to unlock your card, simply return to the same settings and turn off the Freeze Virtual Card option. Remember, managing your card settings regularly can help you maintain control and security over your financial activities. Thank you for following along. Be sure to keep your app updated and check your settings periodically to ensure everything is functioning as it should. If you found this guide helpful, stay tuned for more tips on managing your financial tools efficiently.